here's how you can export as a GIF in CapCut. So first you want to import a clip into your CapCut project. So select the Media tab and then click on where it says Import. Next, select the clip that you want to import and then click on where it says Open. That'll import your clip into CapCut. And then we want to drag and drop that clip into our timeline. And now we can make any changes that we want to this clip, but let's go ahead and just export this as a GIF. So go up to the top where it says Export. And by default, the video option here is going to probably be selected. So go ahead and unselect the video and unselect the audio if it's selected. And you want to select the Export GIF option here. Now, you can change the resolution of this GIF. So by default, it's 240. You can change it to 320 or 640 if you have the Pro version of CapCut. But we're just going to use the 240p version right here. And then all we have to do is click on where it says Export. It'll begin exporting our GIF. And then once it's complete, it'll say that our GIF has been exported. So go ahead and click on where it says Open Folder. And now we can see that GIF right here. And if I go ahead and open that up, now we can see it's turned that video into a GIF. So if this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.